Good morning, everyone, respected judges and dear friends. I am Arpit Agarwal, a graduate from National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, and currently working as an independent designer based out of Guwahati, Assam. Northeast. Northeast is land of great heritage, culture, and traditions. It is the land of the great Brahmaputra, the only male river in India, and is the lifeline of the region. Every morning when we have a cup of tea, I am sure most of us, the tea comes from the lush tea gardens of Assam. Northeast is famous for its great dances, culture, heritage, like the vibrant and distinct dance of Mizoram, the bamboo dance, or the great tribes of Nagaland. It's also stunningly beautiful, like the snow-peaked mountains of Tawang in the land of rising sun, Arunachal Pradesh, or the great waterfalls of Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. The magnificent Mary Kom, the bronze medalist at the London Olympics, or the Shillong Chamber Choir, they all also belong to this region. In spite of all this, there is a negative perception about the whole region, that it's a land of terrorism, militants, or the disputed borderlands in Arunachal Pradesh with China, or the floods that happen every year. The recent happening, like the molestation case or the riots over the illegal immigration in Assam, has made it even worse. The protests in Manipur or the rhino killing has done no good to the image of Northeast. But Northeast is much beyond this. Born and brought up in that part of the area, I know the culture, the heritage is much beyond what people really know about it. Nest is literally means Northeast, and also an amalgamation of 8 states that make the whole Northeast. I thought, why not take the culture, the symbols, the craft of Northeast and create something, new products, so that I could take Northeast to India and rest of the world. I have traveled across the country, but I have hardly seen any products which depict Northeast or talk about Northeast. During my stay in Northeast for last 1.5 years, I found many design intervention opportunities, like the untouched tourism industry, or the great heritage that could be shared through various mediums. Exploring crafts like Assamese traditional jewelry, black pottery from Manipur, or the obvious bam and cane craft in the whole of Northeast. I started with taking inspiration from symbols of various states. The main idea behind taking symbols inspiration was to create a visual imaginary, because people hardly know about what Northeast is like. So the first attempt was to educate people what is Northeast. The picture you see is the popular Bihu dance of Assam, which has been depicted as graphics on notebooks. I chose notebooks because it forms a great souvenir. People visiting Assam can carry it, and also there is no age group for the product, so anybody can pick it up. Also, the thing that I have added, the back cover of each notebook carries a text about the inspiration. So it's just not about some graphics, but educating people about Northeast, the inspiration. The great one-horned rhino of Kaziranga. It has the largest population of rhino in the world, which has been again depicted on notebooks translated into different simple graphics. I've also tried using the same graphics on various products like coffee mugs. The tea gardens. It employs 17% of the workforce in Assam and produces 1/6 of the world's tea. Again, the same has been translated into notebooks. It's a typical scene in a tea garden where a woman is plucking leaves. These are the masks of Majuli, the biggest river island in the world. These masks are used for theater performances, have been used for many years, in fact centuries. Those have been translated into notebooks. Bhupen Hazarika, known as the Bard of Brahmaputra, was a great singer, composer, music director, filmmaker. I have translated his 2 lyrics on notebooks, the most famous songs, Dil Humum Kare and Ganga Behti Hai Kyun. It's just not about graphics, and at times I've figured that out when the lyrics, especially these lyrics, are not really found online because they're not known by many people. So I thought putting lyrics on the notebook will increase the value of the whole thing. Nagaland has more than 14 tribes, each vividly different from one another. This is a typical Naga warrior which has been depicted on the notebook with his spear, the skeleton in his hand. The masks. The brass masks depict the heads hunted by the Naga warrior. The more the mask, the more number of heads the warrior must have hunted. Again, similarly, it has been depicted and translated on notebooks. Hornbill. The great Indian hornbill is famous in Nagaland. It's known for its beauty, its feathers. The beak of hornbill is used as a decorative item on the headgear of Naga people. And also, there is a festival called Hornbill celebrated every year in Nagaland to celebrate the culture and heritage of the state. And the right hand side, you can see the picture of how the hornbill beak is used as a headdress. The Naga beads. It decides the status of the woman in Nagaland. Again, I have just represented it on the notebook. The whole idea has to create a visual image so people have some direct impact so that they remember what is Northeast. This is the initial step. Then the headgears of Nagaland. So this is a little overview of the whole notebook collection that I had done. Has been trying to replicate in other products which are easy as souvenirs for people to pick up, like coasters. Kaziranga National Park, it's beyond the rhinos. It is one of the biggest conservation story of tigers. It's the most densely populated tiger population in India. It has wild buffalo, the samba deer, and the elephant. This is the t-shirt that I had designed to promote Kaziranga National Park. This is absolutely 100% eco-friendly product and organic cotton. You can see I'm wearing the same t-shirt. Bihu collection. After creating the image, I decided to utilize the great majestic textiles of Northeast, which is very, very famous. And like, for example, the Muga silk, which is called as the gold silk, is only found in Northeast. So I decided to use these textiles and replicate it on various products. Weaving is actually a household activity in Northeast. If you go to any household, especially in villages, each backyard has a weaving setup. Either they produce fabrics for their personal use or it is for the market. When these fabrics are constructed or when they are made into different products or garments, they are leftover fabrics. So I decided to use these scraps and convert them into beautiful notebooks, which is right there in front of you. And they have handmade paper inside, so it gives a total handcrafted feel to it. And all the notebooks that you have seen has been hand-bound by a small binder in Guwahati. This is the packaging that I had done. It's still on an experiment stage for jewelry, for Assamese jewelry. The basic idea is to use the local textiles so that it gives an identity to the whole product that has been produced in that village in Assam. Road ahead. Being in Assam for 1.5 years, I shifted back. I've realized that there are a lot of opportunities that could be explored beyond this. The idea of visual imagery is to create an impact and then use other crafts, other motifs or various resources and create a huge range of products. I've been conducting various workshops in the Northeast. This is a leather workshop that I had conducted in Meghalaya, Shillong. A jewelry workshop in Imphal, Manipur. My previous work at Tanishq had given me confidence to take forward and work on the heritage jewelry of Assam. It's very similar to Meenakari work done in Jaipur. This is one of the outcomes of the workshop that I had conducted with the participants. Then I've been conducted a bamboo workshop in Meghalaya. This is run by a female organization. All the participants are female and they produce their handicrafts. My previous experience at Rhizome, where I made bamboo collection, gives me confidence to make more products, create contemporary products in Northeast, and help me to take Northeast to India and rest of the world. This is the best feedback that I've got so far after the Nest products, is that never thought Northeast was so beautiful. It came from the design head at People Tree. Thank you, everyone. Any questions?